select the text tool, change the foreground color to white, and now left click and now type your text. And now Ctrl A to select all text. And now I'm going to change the size to 150. The font I'm using is Verdana Bold. Select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now I'm just going to select the move tool. Left click, hold the Control key so I can move it on a straight line. So here it is. Right click on the text layer and then select alpha to selection to make selection from the text. Now I'm going to hide my text layer, create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. Select the gradient tool. So the gradient I'm going to use is full saturation spectrum. So here it is. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient in on the new layer created with the gradient tool. So here it is, and now press enter. And now go to select, none to remove selection. And now go to layer, crop to content. And then duplicate this layer here, the gradient layer, duplicate it. Select the bottom one. Select the scale tool. And now hold the shift key, make sure the chain icon here is linked. Hold the shift key and then scale it. You will be able to scale it from one side. And now I'm going to scale it from the bottom side. So here it is, press enter. And now go to filters and then blur and then linear motion blur. Change the angle here, double click, change it to 90. And now I'm just going to increase the length to increase the effect. So the maximum is 1000, so I'm going to type 1000, press enter. And now press OK. And now I just need to remove some of the parts here of the linear blurred gradient. So right click on the linear gradient, right click on it, and then select add layer masks. Check the white full opacity layer mask and then add. So on the layer mask, the white represents opacity and the black transparency. So I'm going to select the brush tool, change the foreground to black. Since we want to erase it, we're going to use the black color. And now increase the size. And now I'm going to remove the upper part here. Just paint with black here on the layer mask. And now I'm going to increase the size again. So here are settings I'm using for the hardness 24 and the force 24. And now I'm just going to remove, make sure on the layer mask, and now I'm just going to remove some parts here on the bottom. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now select the top layer, right click and then select new from visible.